Hey everyone, Justin here with Century 21, and I've got my friend here, Chris with Homestar. Today he's going to go over how much you can afford on a house. When clients come to me, the first thing that they ask is how much can they buy? So Chris is going to break it down here on this whiteboard and show you guys what you can afford.
Thanks, Justin. So like Justin said, I think the number one question I always get is, what can I afford to purchase? And that's exactly where you want to start the process, right? So we're going to look at a hypothetical situation here. So let's start with yearly income. Let's say that you're a single borrower. You make about $85,000 a year. So we got $85,000 on the board. The next thing that we do as a lender is we take that yearly income and we go ahead and take it as a monthly number. So in this case, that's going to be about $7,083. So you're making $85,000 a year or $7,083 a month. What we like to look at for debt to income on a conventional loan is about 45%. You can certainly go lower. Sometimes you can go a little bit higher, but for the ease of this, we'll use 45%. So with that 45%, that's our debt to income, which is going to give us a max monthly payment of $3,187. Now, it'd be great if we could just stop there, right? Because that's a pretty good payment. But what we want to look at too is debt. So your debt's going to be subtracted from this total monthly number. Let's say we have a $500 car payment. We're going to subtract $500 for that monthly car payment, which is going to give us $2,687. So this is the max monthly payment that we would be able to qualify for in this case. Let's say that we used a 10% down payment. We're going to have a total max pre-approval of $400,000. So that's what we'd be able to qualify for. We got our yearly income of $85,000, our monthly income of $7,083, our 45% debt to income ratio, a total monthly payment of $3,187. However, we got to subtract out our debts, which is that $500. Gives us a max monthly payment of $2,687, which would equate to $400,000. I hope that helped. Thanks for Justin for having me. And if y'all need anything, always feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.